Mountain Tower Premium Room at Harrah's, Cherokee. 7th floor, this is room 714. Your shower, vanity, mirror, and your extra towels below. Your toilet closet. And by the way, the room's very clean. They do a pretty good job here. Housekeeping, you have a closet here with a safe and a luggage rack, which I've already used. Also ironing board, some hangers. This room has a mini fridge and a microwave and a coffee maker. Last time we stayed here, the room did not have a microwave, but this one does. It has a pretty large flat screen TV. I believe that's maybe a 50-inch. A desk area with lots and lots and lots of outlets, charging ports, USB, lots of places to plug in. A nice comfy chair, lamp. This room that we have is 2 queen beds, but their beds are super, super comfortable. Great mattresses. I'm not sure what brand mattresses, but they are comfortable. And we happen to have a very beautiful view from our room overlooking the auditorium here and some of the casino buildings, the outdoor pool, very nice outdoor pool, and just a nice mountain view. It was a little foggy this morning, but still beautiful. From down below us, there's a creek. This particular room is a non-smoking room. We did arrive on site at 9:30, and we pre-checked in on the through the app, and we were able to check in right away. So we did have to change buildings, and initially we had a smoking. We didn't really care either way, but initially we had a smoking room, and they moved us to a non-smoking. I'd prefer non-smoking. I smoke cigars, but I don't smoke cigarettes. And lots and lots and lots of storage. Very big drawers. You store a lot of stuff in them. And then they give you a place where you can put like food and other little things. It's a very nice room. So most of these rooms are renovated and look just like this.